Right now, Earth is hurtling through space at a staggering 67,000 miles per hour. But why aren't we just flying off into the cold, dark void of the galaxy? Is there an invisible rope tying us to the sun? It's a cosmic tug-of-war. The sun's massive gravity is constantly pulling Earth toward it, but Earth has its own forward momentum. If the sun's pull was stronger, we'd be incinerated. If Earth was faster, we'd fly away. This perfect balance creates what we call an orbit. Einstein changed the game. He imagined space not as empty, but as a fabric. Think of the sun as a heavy bowling ball on a trampoline. It curves the fabric of space-time. Earth isn't being pulled. It's simply following the curve created by the sun's massive weight. What if the balance broke? If the sun vanished instantly, Earth would travel in a straight line into the deep, dark universe at nearly 19 miles per second. Without the sun's warmth, life would freeze within days. We are alive only because of this delicate cosmic dance. The universe is full of these invisible forces that keep us alive. Which planet's orbit do you find most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below. For more mind-bending space secrets, hit that subscribe button for Planet Snaps.